Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my hair look super hydrated, super full, curls popping. Look at this side. It's looking beautiful compared to this dryness over here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got the curls to pop. So as you can see, the right side of my head is looking super dry, super dehydrated, just a spider web. I don't know what to call this, but it's not a look, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I make it look popping. Okay, so the first step is to actually divide my hair in pieces. As you can see, my hair is so dry, I cannot work with this at all. So I just divide the hair in two sections and I start with the bottom part. Up next, I spritz my hair with some water just to get it a bit hydrated again. Once my hair is completely damp, I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. So after detangling my hair, you can see my curls trying to sneak in a little bit. But today we really want the curls to pop. Like it needs to pop for the lords, okay? Therefore, we're going to use my Got To Be Kinkier Mousse, which will even define the curls a bit more. To be very honest, yeah, I don't know if this mousse actually works, but I just love how it foams up in your hand whenever you spray it on it, okay? So because it feels good, I put it in my hair, but I think it actually does the trick a little bit. Up next, we're going to divide the hair in smaller sections so that it's easier to work with. And of course, I'm using my Eco Styler gel. So I use the one with castor oil and flaxseed oil. And honestly, I love this product. I've been using it ever since. So all I will be doing is literally brush my hair with my Denman brush. And that's about it, guys. I know you guys all saw my video where I was literally finger detangling everything. But this is honestly a faster way to still define your curls and have them look popping, okay? So once I brush my hair, I still like to go back and finger curl some of the hair just for that extra definition, but you don't have to do that. So my hair in the front is already pretty curly. So honestly, I just put the Eco Styler gel a bit, brush it out again, and that's it. I don't have to do much to it, and it's already curling up. Guys, just look how my curls are popping, okay? Like what? And this took me less than 20 minutes to do. And you can do it too, no matter what your hair texture is. So I finished my makeups, okay? I finished the makeups. But I really wanted my hair in a bun or in a little puff. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And that will be it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like always, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.